short update on the issue that I had when Ubuntu 20.04 came out. I had problems with the desktop freezing, but only on my oldest computer, my late 2009 model iMac. Changing the kernel to version 4.19 fixed those hangs, and everything seemed fine for about 2 weeks. First 1 week where I tested it on external USB drives, and then another week where I had the new Ubuntu installed on the internal hard disk. Then I got a new problem. The screen of this computer blanked at random times. That means the display would suddenly go black, Linux would still be running, but the display would only come back after a reboot. I think that this is a different problem, and I think that it is an issue of the old hardware. I tried many things. It happened in different desktop environments, and even when I booted in text mode only. I also tried Manjaro Linux, which showed the exact same behavior. That means desktop hangs with the newest kernel and the screen blanks on any kernel. Now one question is, if there's something wrong with the hardware, could that also be responsible for the hanging desktop with kernel 5.4? Now that is certainly a possibility, because different kernel versions could react differently to hardware issues. However, since the system worked fine for a while, I think that these two phenomena are unrelated. But I cannot be 100% sure. What am I going to do next? Since I found no way to fix the screen blanking, I decided to give up the old hardware and move on. I'm not going to replace it by a new iMac. I still have the 2012 MacBook and the Mac Mini where I can run Ubuntu and Manjaro on. I did not want to spend that much money on a new Mac, but then I couldn't resist the temptation to get at least a new toy, something that is small and cheap and can run Linux. So I got a Raspberry Pi, that's my new toy. And that is fun and interesting because a few things are different and I have new things to learn. So maybe there will be also Raspberry related videos in the future on this channel. So much for this short update. Bye and see you.